Hello, my family and friends. Welcome to another episode. So glad you joined us. Last week we had a great success on views, and we thank you for watching. Today we are going to do something a little different because this is now July, so it's Christmas in July. It is very hot out today, so what we're going to do is a summer hot chocolate. So what we're going to do with it, we're going to start off with 1 cup of heavy cream. All you need is the blender for this. We're going to add it to it. You can do chocolate milk or whole milk, regular milk. We're going to use chocolate today, 1 cup of chocolate milk. To that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chocolate syrup, however you want to say it. Anyway, that good, delicious stuff. Okay, to that we're going to add 1/4 a cup of powdered sugar. And we're going to add 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. Hot chocolate cocoa powder. Okay, we're going to need to add to that, crush me up some ice. Let me see if I can get it apart here. We need 5 cups of ice. So there's 2, 4. I think I better do a little bit. I'll start this, but we may have to pause it because it's liable to make a lot of noise. So we'll start it. Okay, I went ahead and got it blended up because we used 5 cups of ice to keep from to avoid a little bit of the noise. And now then we're just going to pour it into some glasses because we're going to put it in the freezer. Ooh, I didn't get it even, did I? That's all right. Somebody gets more than the other. Okay, we're going to take these and put them in the freezer. When they're frozen, then we'll come back and show you how we finish it up. Okay, we've got our frozen hot chocolate or frozen chocolate drink out. Remember, this is Christmas in July. So we are going to have a cold hot chocolate.
Yeah.
So now then we're going to put Ready Whip goes onto it. Now let me say, I know people think, oh, that's artificial. That's okay. If you do your preference. Myself, I like the taste of it. I could make my own whipped topping, but I chose not to. So for those people that want to comment about me using Ready Whip, please don't. So anyway, here we go. Put the topping on. Okay, that is our Christmas in July
Hot chocolate.
beverage.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah. And concerning the bracket, obviously, the contest winner is Shingadiddy because of how many views it got. This contest is going to be against Protein Balls, so we'll see who wins that. Anyway, see ya.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Have a good evening.